Hello, welcome to Abiben Tutors. Today we are going to look at polynomial division and we are going to examine two methods of dividing polynomials. There's a question on the board. What we have is 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. We are expected to divide it by x plus 2. So the dividend in this case is 3x squared minus 2x plus 4, a quadratic dividend, while the divisor is a linear expression, x plus 2. We are expected to divide that. So first we would use a method of long division, which most of us are familiar with. We draw a symbol and then we bring in the dividend, in this case 3x squared minus 2x plus 4, and then the divisor is outside x plus 2. So how do we do it? The first and leading term of the dividend here is 3x squared. The leading term of the divisor is x. So 3x squared divided by x, and that will give you 3x. So the 3x, we write it up here. Okay. That 3x multiplied by x will give you 3x squared. You write it under the first one. And then 3x times 2 will give you 6x. You draw your line and subtract. 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0. That is why there's nothing here. And then minus 2x minus 6x will give you minus 8x. Okay? And then we bring down this constant term, which is 4. We repeat the process. The leading or first term in this case is minus 8x. So minus 8x divided by x will give you minus 8. And then minus 8 times x will give you minus 8x. Minus 8 times 2 will give you minus 16. We subtract once more. So minus 8x minus 8x will give you 0. And then 4 minus 16 will give you 20. So at that point, what we have up here happens to be our quotient, while what we have here, 20, is a remainder. Why we have 20 here tells us that x plus 2 is not a factor of 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. Otherwise, here the remainder would have been 0. That's for the method of long division. Now, for synthetic division, what we do first, we equate the divisor, which in this case is x plus 2 equals to 0. We equate it to 0, and then we solve for x. The value becomes minus 2. And then look at the way we draw our symbol in this case, the reverse of what we had drawn for long division. We draw it this way. This minus 2, which is the value of x, we placed it out here. And then we pick all the coefficients and constants here. 3, minus 2, and 4. First thing we do is to bring down the first number, 3. And then we multiply minus 2 by 3. That will give us minus 6. We write that value under the next number, the way we've done it here. And then we add. For synthetic division, you don't subtract, you keep adding. Minus 2 plus minus 6 will give you a minus 8. We repeat the process. Minus 2 times minus 8, that will give us 16. And then we add, that gives us 20. So we are through. These 3 here will be our leading term. Minus 8 will be a constant term, while 20 here becomes a remainder, just like we had in the first case. So the quotient here becomes 3x minus 8. We simply attach x here and then bring minus 8, while the remainder becomes 20. I'd like you to try your hands on this one. You know, where we have 4x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. We are dividing by x plus 2. Do that division and then leave your results in the comment section. Feel free to follow, like, and share our pages for more. Thank you.